Hey everyone, in this Flutter tutorial I am going to show how to use Android Alarm Manager package to run dot codes in the background. Here I have a basic Flutter project. Inside my project material app I have a widget called homepage. Inside homepage I have a switch button which I am going to use to start and stop the alarm timer. To get started, open pub.dev website, search for Android Alarm Manager. And choose Android Alarm Manager package. Copy the package name, open your project pubspec.yaml file and paste the package name under dependencies. Hit save to get the packages. Next, we need to add these two lines within manifest tag of Android manifest.xml file. Open Android manifest XML file. I'm going to add it here. Next, we need to add this line inside application tag. Save the file and close it. First, we need to initialize Alarm Manager to start the Alarm Manager service. Before that, I'm going to import Alarm Manager package. Inside main function, call Android Alarm Manager dot initialize method to initialize Alarm Manager. Turn it into an asynchronous function. Click save and restart the app. We are getting this error because we added the Alarm Manager package while the app was running. To fix it, we can simply stop the app and run it again. If everything goes correct, in the debug console, we will see alarm service started message. Alright, now open homepage widget. So I want to run the alarm timer when I turn the switch on. I'm going to call alarm timers after this setState method. There are three types of alarm timers: one shot at and periodic. First, let's look at one shot. One shot timer requires three parameters: delay, ID and callback. Callback is a function that we want to run in background. ID will be a integer and delay will be a duration of time for the callback function to start. First, let's specify duration. I'm going to set 5 seconds. For the ID, I'm going to create an integer value. And the callback needs to be a top level function. A top level function is a function that is defined outside a class. I'm going to create a top level function called fire alarm. The fire alarm function will print this statement to the console. It will print the statement alarm fired at and the date and time. Next, replace callback with our callback function name. Click Save. Let's turn on the switch and see if it works. Okay, it works as expected. Now if I turn off the switch, the alarm will fire again. It's because the switch runs the code inside it every time its state changes. After starting an alarm timer, we should set a method to cancel it as well. We can use alarmmanager.cancel function to cancel existing timers. Let's use a if-else statement to implement the start and cancel functions. If the switch button value is true, I want the alarm timer to start. Else, I want to cancel. The cancel method requires a alarm ID to identify and cancel the alarm timer. Now turning on the switch button will start the alarm timer and turning off will cancel the alarm timer. Okay, now let's look at the second alarm timer method. Which is one shot at. It requires a time ID and a callback. Time will be a date and time. I am going to set the alarm to fire at 7:59. Callback will be fire alarm. Now turn on the alarm. It runs exactly at 7:59 p.m. Now let's look at the third type, which is periodic. Periodic is a repeated timer. Periodic method will run the callback function repeatedly based on the duration value. The duration must be greater than 60 seconds. Even if you set the duration to less than 60 seconds, the callback will only run every 60 seconds. Let's wait for the alarm to fire after 60 seconds. I'm going to fast forward this video to show how the callback function runs every 60 seconds. As you can see, it works as expected. To cancel the timer, turn off the switch, which will trigger the Android Alarm Manager cancel function. Alright, that's it for this video. You can download the starter files and completed files from GitHub. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more videos like this, like and subscribe.